CruiseByMandy in the port of Strasbourg. This is an example of tethering. Top deck, we are tethered with a vessel that is not Ama, so it does not align exactly. So we came up to the sun deck, we crossed over, and instead of going down to their areas, we cut straight across and go down on the other side with our security guard kind of watching as we go across. So kind of gives you an idea here. So as you can see, people coming from over there up across and over, and I see our bicycles already. It's in the 40s. About to be biking 13 miles. Hopefully I brought enough Kleenex for my stuffy head. So, nice to go down. But we'll be disembarking from a Viking cruise. The Viking New Order, I believe it was. And you see the inside. And here's our bikes. Oh, yeah. That's cool. All the produce coming on. And here we are. Let's find a bike. CruiseByMandy signing off.